Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the lambda function or expression. Okay, the last video we saw about the def function. Python function is created by using the def keyword. We have discussed about that in the last video. In this video we are going to see about the lambda function or expression. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. The lambda function or expression is also called as one of the Python function, but compared to def function it has some drawbacks. Okay, we will discuss in this video. First of all, Python function doesn't have any function name. For the def function we have the function name. Okay, we should use the name for the function, but here we don't have any function name because we don't use the function in the lambda function. While performing the operations or while doing the program, we don't use the lambda function. Okay, then the def function is created by the keyword def. Like that, the lambda function is created by the keyword lambda. Okay, and then the lambda functions are also called as the use and throw function, because once we create for the def function, if you created a function, we can call it a number of times. That means we can use the same function operation at any time, at anywhere. Okay, I have written 1000 number of codes in a program, and once we are creating a def function, this is for example the display function, but later I can use the display function at any time, at anywhere. Okay, but in the lambda function we can't do like this. Okay, because here we don't have any function. If you want to perform the particular operations, just if you are creating the particular field, that field only we can use the lambda function. Later we can't use and we can't modify it and we can't change anything in the lambda function. Okay, that's why it's also called as the use and throw functions. Okay, because use the lambda function when we require the nameless function in a short time. It is also called as the nameless function because the function doesn't have any name. So this is the nameless functions. It's also called as the use and throw function. Use and throw means like compared to the use and throw mask. Once we are wearing, we can throw it somewhere else. Okay, like that. When we want to use the lambda function, that time itself we can use it. Later we can't use the same function again. So that's why this is called as the use and throw functions. The syntax of the def function is the keyword def and that followed by the function name. This is the formal arguments. Okay, and here instead of the def function, instead of the def keyword, here we are using the lambda keyword. Okay, keyword lambda, and the formal arguments we are using this same argument list. That means what are the variables we will use in this function body, that should be taken as the formal argument. Here we are taking as the argument list. Then inside the function name, what are the operations? The function body denotes the what are the operations we are going to perform. Okay, then here we are taking the same function body definition here. That means what are the operation we are going to perform, like addition, multiplication, division, anything. Okay, comparison, anything can be. What are the things we should, things means what are the operations what are the tasks you want to perform it, that should be taken in this expression. Okay, and here we are using the function name and argument list. Here we don't take the function name and argument list because we don't have any function name. Okay, both are performing the same operation, but the main difference is the def function have the function name. We can use it the same function at n number of times at any time, but the lambda function doesn't have any function name, so we can't use it later. And once if you are creating the lambda function here, we can use it here only. We can't use the same lambda function at anywhere. We can't use the same lambda function at anywhere. Okay, only we can use it here only. This is the main difference. Let's see an example. I'm going to create a same program by using the def function and the lambda function. Then only you can understand easily. Def function is created by the def keyword, and I'm going to perform sum of two numbers. So sum of a comma b. Okay, see, this is our syntax. Def function name, then the formal arguments, colon followed by colon, then this is the function body. That means what are the operations we are going to perform it. I want to perform the addition of two numbers. This is a formal arguments a comma b, and I am adding the a and b values, and again I am storing this result in the variable c. Okay, then I want to display the value of c. Okay, then function call. I'm going to assign the values of the a and b, 10 comma 56. Okay, I'm going to save. 66. Okay, we got output. I'm going to perform this same program by using the lambda. Okay, first of all, lambda function is created by using the keyword lambda. Then the next one is argument list. That means the formal arguments. Okay, for what are the arguments we have taken here? A comma b. So a comma b colon, then the next one expression. Expression means the function body. What are the operations we should perform it? What we have to do? What you are going to do? Simply I am going to add the a and b values. So I want to perform the addition between a and b. Then after adding this a and b, I am going to store this values into c. So completely we just storing this value into the variable c. Then the next one, the actual arguments. Here we are passing the actual arguments through the function call, but here we don't have a function. So what we have to do, simply I'm just assigning this values into this variable. Okay, so 10 comma 56. Then if you are simply giving, it doesn't it performs the operation, but it won't display the result because we don't print the value. So for that, to display the value, just print the results, then save the function, save the program. See, this 66 for def function results and this one for lambda function results. Okay, both are performing the same operations, but the difference between two are function name is missing in the lambda. Okay, function call and function definition will be used in the def function, but here we don't perform any operations, we don't use any function name. Okay, we can use this sum of function later. Okay, but here we don't, the lambda function we can't use it later. It's the main difference. And the more important point is the lambda function is used along with the some built-in functions like filter, map and reduce, that we will discuss in the next video. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.